a bit more about Python. So open your IDLE and I have a fun activity today. So make a new project and it'll be like this silly story. So create 4 or 5 variables. Like for me, I created one is fruit. Fruit is the first variable, and inside it I'll put strawberry. Then in the second I'll put a name, which is froggy because it's about a frog. And then the third variable will be favorite snack. And I'm gonna fill it in later. And then a number and type of tree and a book. You don't have to fill in necessarily what I fill in. Here in favorite snack, I'll put cake. In number, I put 10. Remember about the brackets and all. For strings, you need to put brackets. For numbers, you don't. Now, for the type of tree, I'll put apple tree. The apple tree. And the book, Lord of the Rings. Okay. Now that I have these variables, it's like this silly story. Now, first we need to do the print and print. I'm making an F string this time because the F strings can hold normal but also variables. So F string, hi, my name is, and put these curly bracket stuff and write the variable name, so name, and then close the brackets. My name is, and I'm gonna make this a multi-line one. It'll be more like a story. Hi, my name is, and I was reading I was reading book under a type of tree. Type of tree. So after we have this type of tree, which did not give which did not give apples, instead it gave fave snack once in number years. I was eating fruit made of fave snack, and this is basically the whole thing that we wrote over here. Now this is the code, and try running it with the run. So run the module, save it, and put the title as silly story. And I think I made a few mistakes in here. Snack in, and then now you can run it and it should give a really silly story. You should also try getting others to fill in the variables, and they fill in the variables however they want, not knowing what it should be and what it should be made of, and then sometimes it can become a really silly story. So bye, see you next video.